We're going to work on finding x and y intercepts of a line given the equation. Okay, in this case, we're trying to find the x and y intercepts of a straight line. Well, we know that the x-intercept occurs when y is 0. So why don't we write that? Let's write how we're finding the x-intercept. So we know that actually occurs when y is 0. So what does that mean? Now we can balance the equation by dividing by -8. And notice you just get x is now equal to -7/4. So that is actually the x-intercept. The best way to write this is using a complete sentence. X-intercept is -7/4. Now, some teachers would prefer you to translate the x-intercept to be an ordered pair. So make sure you know what your teacher prefers. So in this case, if you translate it to an x-intercept to an ordered pair, we get parentheses -7/4, comma 0. Okay, so some teachers would like this to describe the x-intercept. Now, why don't we find our y-intercept? So a y-intercept occurs when x is 0. So in this case, -8 times 0, of course, is 0. And now we have you're left with 9y on the left side of the equation. Let's balance the entire side. Divide the entire side by 9. Divide this entire side by 9. And there are no common factors between 14 and 9. So we get y is equal to what? 14/9. So once again, the best way to describe the y-intercept is to write it as a complete sentence. Y-intercept is 14/9. Excuse me here. I guess I should start with a capital Y at the beginning of a sentence and put a period there. And why don't I make this a little bit neater? Call that a what? Let's call that a capital X, and then put a period here. Neatness always helps in mathematics. Will help you review and study the vocabulary that much better. Once again, you could translate the y-intercept into an ordered pair. And so if you translate that into an ordered pair, you write parentheses 0, comma 14/9. Okay, so this is the y-intercept translated as an ordered pair, but by definition, we could say the y-intercept is 14/9. The x-intercept is -7/4.